What's up guys, Fire Llama back with another review video. Today we have a Trek Marlin 5 bike, and today we're going to be reviewing this bike. First off, we are going to be starting with the bike's suspension. And if I haven't mentioned, this bike is a mountain bike, which means it will need lots of suspension. And this bike provides a great amount of it with suspension locks and everything. So if you're going on rides, don't worry about bumpy rides. Next up, on to the friction gear. So this one comes with three settings. One being the easiest to ride, three being the most power needed, and it has a great selection, so that's good. Now on to the real gears. This one comes with 7 gears, and these gears can range from 1 to 7, and they're a great selection of them, and you can pair them with the friction. Now, this bike has really good disc brakes, and this bike can stop your bike from any speed with no problem. Now, on to the front disc brakes. This one also has front disc brakes, just like the back, so it should stop your bike very quickly. And yeah, it's basically the same stuff. This seat is pretty stiff, not too comfy or not too like rough. To in the middle seat, and it's good for like mountain biking so you don't slip off the bike. Now onto the frame and body of this bike. This is like a very light bike. It looks huge and all, but it's very light for a 30-inch bike. Now these don't come with the standard bike, but I just fitted some accessories on this. So we have a bike rack, a bell, and a cup holder.